Have you ever felt butterflies in your stomach before a big date, or that sinking pit in your gut when something just feels wrong? That's not imagination, it's science. Your gut is often called your second brain. And believe it or not, it may know the truth before your mind does. Welcome to the Women's Psychology series. Today, we'll explore the fascinating gut-brain connection, why your stomach reacts to your emotions, and how this hidden system can shape intuition, mood, and even decision-making. And if you love learning about the mind, emotions, and human behavior, don't forget to hit subscribe, tap like, and share this with a friend who trusts their gut to. Now, imagine this. You're about to walk into a job interview. Your heart races, but before you even say a word, your stomach feels tight. Or you meet someone new and, within seconds, your gut tells you whether you can trust them or not. These aren't random reactions. Your body is literally signaling you. Inside your digestive system lives the enteric nervous system, over 500 million neurons embedded in your gut walls. That's more than the spinal cord. That's why scientists call it the second brain. Your gut also produces around 90% of the body's serotonin, the chemical that regulates mood and happiness. So when people say, "I feel it in my gut," they're actually describing a real biological response. So how does your gut talk to your brain? The main messenger is the vagus nerve's superhighway of signals traveling both ways. When you're stressed, your brain sends signals down the vagus nerve, telling your gut to slow down digestion. It's like your body is saying, "Hold up, we've got a problem to solve here. So let's focus on that first." That's why stress often makes your stomach feel weird. But the opposite is also true. When your gut is in distress, maybe because of an illness or unhealthy food, it can send signals back up the vagus nerve to your brain. And what does your brain do with that information? Well, it might trigger feelings of anxiety, a low mood, or even make you feel confused. For women, this connection is especially powerful. Hormones like estrogen interact with the gut-brain axis. That means women are often more sensitive to subtle emotional cues picked up by their gut instincts. That's why many studies show women's gut feelings are often more accurate than men's. It's not magic. It's biology. Your gut picks up patterns, stress signals, and unspoken cues, then translates them into that familiar hunch you feel deep in your stomach. Now, let's take a closer look at the gut. It's not just about butterflies. Here are some key players in this emotional orchestra. First, there's your large intestine. It's home to most of your gut bacteria, which plays a huge role in digesting food and producing key neurotransmitters like serotonin, which affects your mood. Then we have the stomach and small intestine, where much of the chemical digestion happens. When things are running smoothly there, you're more likely to feel calm and focused. Next, consider your gallbladder. This small organ releases bile to help digest fats. When it's not functioning well, you might experience discomfort after eating, which can affect your energy levels and mood. Ever had a day where nothing seems to click, where you feel off your game without knowing why? Chances are your gut might be giving you clues. In these moments, it's essential to listen to your body's whispers. That nagging feeling in your stomach might be trying to tell you something important. Maybe it's hinting that the coffee you drank this morning wasn't the best choice, or that you need to take a break from the constant screen time. When we tune into these subtle signs, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Just like a detective at a crime scene, we can observe, analyze, and learn from our gut's subtle hints. By understanding what's going on inside, we can make better choices that support our overall well-being. So the next time you feel a twinge in your stomach or a sudden urge to take a break, pay attention. Your gut might be trying to guide you toward a healthier, happier you. Speaking of taking care of your gut, did you know that what you eat has a profound impact on your gut health and, by extension, your mental well-being? Now, let's talk about what you can do to keep your gut in tip-top shape. First up, fiber is your gut's best friend. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are packed with fiber. Fiber acts like a gentle broom inside your gut, sweeping away the old and making room for the new. This helps keep things moving smoothly and prevents constipation. But fiber does more than that. It feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which produce substances that make your gut lining stronger and help fight off harmful bacteria. A strong gut lining means fewer toxins can leak into your bloodstream, keeping your gut healthy and reducing inflammation. Next, let's talk about probiotics. These are live bacteria that are good for your gut health. You can find probiotics in foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso. Probiotics add to the diversity of bacteria in your gut, which is important for good gut function. Diversity means resilience. A diverse gut microbiome is better at handling changes and challenges, helping you stay at your best. Hydration is another key player. Water is essential for keeping your gut working properly. When you're dehydrated, things slow down, making it harder for food to move through your gut and for your body to absorb nutrients. Plus, dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, and even irritability. Aim to drink water throughout the day. Listen to your body's thirst cues and remember, everyone's needs are different. Stress management is crucial for gut health. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that can wreak havoc in your gut, slowing digestion and affecting your appetite. Chronic stress can even alter your gut microbiome, leading to issues like IBS. Find what works for you, whether it's deep breathing exercises, yoga, journaling, or connecting with nature. Each of these can help you manage stress and support a healthier gut. Sleep is often called the body's repair time for a reason. During sleep, your body works hard to restore and rejuvenate itself, and your gut is no exception. While you snooze, your gut continues to digest and absorb nutrients, getting everything ready for the next day. Sleep also helps regulate your body's internal clock, which influences hormone release and digestion. When you're well rested, you're better equipped to handle the day's challenges and make healthier food choices. Finally, regular movement is essential for gut health. Exercise helps stimulate bowel movements and keeps things moving smoothly. It also improves blood flow, which means more oxygen and nutrients for your gut. Whether it's a brisk walk, a dance class, or a game of your favorite sport, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Taking care of your gut isn't just about avoiding problems. It's about embracing a lifestyle that nourishes your overall well-being. It's an investment in your health today and tomorrow. So start with small, manageable changes, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the journey towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to a better, brighter future. So the next time you feel those butterflies or that uneasy feeling in your stomach, ask yourself, could my gut be trying to tell me something? It might not have all the answers, but it might just be trying to guide you toward a healthier, happier life. That's a wrap for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating connection between your gut and your brain. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe, like and share this video with someone who always trusts their gut. And stay tuned because in our next episode of the Women's Psychology series, we'll dive into even more intriguing topics. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.